Hi, my name is Trey Deal. I'm a support engineer here at Evil Solutions. Today I'm going to be talking about how to set up a dedicated graph connection in SmartConnect. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to go to portal.azure, and we will be going to app registration, and we'll be creating a new registration. I'll just name this one graph real quick, and then you can leave this on this one or change it if you like, but I'll just leave it on this one for myself. Then I'll go to web, and then when you are usually setting up a graph connection, when you go into SmartConnect, you can just go into here, and then it'll show you the redirect URI down here, but once you are setting it up. In the email settings, it won't say it, so you will need to find that. So I do have it over here, and I'll go back into Azure and paste that in, and that'll be my redirect URI. So then you can just hit register, and that should be all good, and it'll bring you immediately into there. And then now you will go to the certificates and secrets. Then click on a new client secret. It'll bring up this box over here. We'll call this just one graph real quick, and expires in 2 years. You can change that to however long you want. 2 years is the max, and then I'll just hit add real quick. So that'll create this. Then I need this value, so I'll paste this off into my second screen over here. Otherwise, this is all good and dandy here, and we can go into the API permissions. Now we can go into add permission, Microsoft Graph, delegated permission, and then we can search for mail, specifically since we are setting up that dedicated connection for mail. Go into the mail tab right here, do mail.read and mail.read basic. Click add permissions, and those should be both good to go. Now we can go back to the overview here, grab this client ID, copy that, go into SmartConnect, file, maintenance, setup, email settings, and then we can start filling this one out. So I did grab the client ID first, I'll paste that one in here, go back into Azure. We'll grab the tenant ID, which is down here, toss it in the tenant ID, and then this client secret is that secret value that I copied earlier. I'll toss that in there, hit authorize. It'll pop up this window right here. It'll ask for some permissions. Hit accept, and then you should see the success screen right here. You can close out of this. Hit OK right here. Now hit get access token. Token was successful, that's great, and then we can run a test email if we want. Otherwise, we know this is set up correctly. And then again, if you just want to set up a normal graph connection that uses a normal connection, you can go to system connection, hit that, hit graph, and then you should be also good to go for the graph connection. But if you want to set the dedicated, that is how you will do it. All right, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, let us know. Thanks.